Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're here to discuss some great news for singer-songwriter Ed Sheeran. On April 29, 2023, a court in Los Angeles ruled in favor of Sheeran in a copyright lawsuit filed against him by the estate of Marvin Gaye. The lawsuit alleged that Sheeran's 2014 hit song, Thinking Out Loud, copied key elements from Gaye's 1973 classic, Let's Get It On. However, after a lengthy legal battle, the jury found that Sheeran had not copied parts of Let's Get It On, and ruled in his favor. This is a huge win for Sheeran and his legal team, who have been fighting this lawsuit for years. The ruling is significant because it shows that artists can successfully defend themselves against copyright infringement claims, and highlights the importance of proving originality in creative works. In a statement following the ruling, Sheeran expressed his gratitude to his legal team and fans for their support throughout the lawsuit. He also thanked the jury for their careful consideration of the case. Overall, this ruling is a great victory for Ed Sheeran and a reminder that the music industry relies on creativity and originality. We're thrilled to see that justice has been served in this case, and we can't wait to see what Sheeran has in store for his fans in the future. So that's the latest on the court ruling in favor of Ed Sheeran. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on music news and trends. Thanks for watching.